This is what I want. This golden play button right here. I am gonna get it. And today, is it? Oh, I want to get that golden play button. You hear me? You hear me saying that I'm recording on camera? I want that. One second. I'm sorry about that, but I will get a day real. I was talking Jigglypuff. You want to help me get it? He said yes. That's why my creeper lamp holding him up. Let's do this. I don't know why I'm not showing my face in this video. I have no idea what I'm going to start with. I know. I'm just going to sit you right here. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry if that took too long. I will show. Hi, it's finally the real Resident Bag. SUBTORESIDENT. Okay. Here it is. Let me pick you up. This is so hard to pick the camera up. Anyways. You can't read it, it's SUBTORESIDENT. I forgot to put bag. But that's okay.